it's Ashley, and I'm back with a Cricut unboxing. I am currently going to be unboxing the Cricut Breast Cancer Awareness materials bundle. That's a mouthful, but it's $115 of materials for only $49.99. And if you purchase it, Cricut's going to donate $10 from the sale of each box up to $35,000 for breast cancer research, which I think is amazing. Cricut, if you didn't know, does so much stuff to help the community. They've donated for child cancer research. They've done stuff for breast cancer awareness, stuff for helping teachers and local communities, just so much stuff. I'm really proud to, be affiliated with them in any way possible, because I really believe that they care about the community. So I was excited to pick this one up, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. If you want to save more on the bundle, you can use the code DTDIY. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can go check it out and use the code. It will get you 10% off your order of materials and accessories, and it'll give you free shipping as well if your order is over $50. So the box is $49.99. If you add an inexpensive item to it, you'll get the free shipping, which will knock like $8 or $10 off. Plus, you're going to also get the 10% discount on top of it. And if you're a Cricut Access member, I think you get 10% off as well in addition to that. Plus all the sales stuff, so it's a really great deal. I added the Holographic Sparkle Vinyl in the color green, and it's honestly beautiful, guys. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. And take a look at how pretty this is. So I think this is one of the ones that was on clearance right now. They have a bunch of stuff that's really beautiful for the holidays. They have a red one, I believe, that's also on clearance, and they have this green one. I've just picked up some red foil recently, so I decided that I would get green holographic to kind of contrast against it, and it was very reasonable, so I thought that would be a perfect one to pick up. But yeah, they have some great deals. Oh, also, before I forget, if you're interested in supporting breast cancer awareness research, you can also pick up a Cricut bundle for a Cricut Explorer Air 2 or a Cricut Maker. It comes with materials, mats, everything that you need to get started with a Cricut machine, and it's a really great deal for discount. So one of the best deals I've seen all year. So look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, when I saw it on the website, guys, when you see these on the website, they don't look nearly as beautiful as they actually are in person. So that's why I wanted to take a minute and actually show you how pretty that is. Like, look at that. So pretty. Yeah, this is why I get stuck in the materials aisle at Michael's or Joann's staring at the materials, is because of stuff like this. Like, that's just stunning. So, okay. Let's unbox this. I cheated and I took a look because I couldn't wait. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I know what's in here and it's pretty awesome, but I wanted to show you guys. So the biggest thing about this box, which I think is amazing, $49 worth. It's less if you use the discount code as well. All of this stuff is definitely way worth more than that. But the first item is the Cricut Iron-On, and this is in the color, which color is this? Glitter Lipstick. And I undid this because I wanted to take a look at how pretty this is. But look at that really beautiful, like, magenta colored sparkle vinyl. So this is an iron-on. This is great. You can use it on tote bags, on t-shirts, on hats, even on like little stuffed animals. If you have one of the mini, like the Cricut Easy Press Mini, you can use that for that as well. This was just really beautiful, and I think this is one of the perfect colors for breast cancer awareness, is having that really pretty vibrant pink. So as you guys know, iron-on is expensive, and there's a lot of iron-on in here. So there's that one. The next one is this foil iron-on in the color Magenta, which is really pretty. It's honestly, you can't tell because of the wrapping on these, but just really vibrant. Look at how much the wrapping takes away from how vibrant that is, but really beautifully vibrant. This is also something that you could use on home decor if you like, for pillows, on t-shirts, on bags, pretty much anything that you would want like a really beautiful design on. This is a great way to do it. And here's another foil iron-on. This is in the color, I believe, rose gold. Yeah, this is in rose gold. Also really, really pretty. Let's take a look. Yeah, very vibrant. Rose gold is still such a huge trend. It's such a huge trend in jewelry. Also a huge trend in home decor. It's just something that looks really lovely, and also would be pretty for the holidays. You could create some really beautiful like bag and then put some detailing on it with this. I can just see so many applications for that, where it would just add a little bit of, you know, sparkle to whatever you're doing. The next one is a strong bond. Ooh, it's getting stuck. The strong bond in the color bubblegum, and I did undo this one too because I wanted to take a look. But look at how vibrant that is. Isn't that beautiful? So bubblegum, and as they show you with the little candies on this project, that is such a great way to use this. So there's 4 rolls of iron-on, 2 strong bond, I believe. Yeah, 2 strong bond, and then 2 of the foil. So 2 of the foil ones, 2 of the glitters, and you can tell by the colors of these, like look at how beautiful those would be paired together in a design. So even if you haven't done a lot of stuff with iron-on, this is a great starter kit because you can put all of these together and make a really lovely coordinating design. And it's kind of a good way to stock up if you're brand new to doing iron-on designs, or if you do a lot of iron-on designs and you just want to get a great value, it's a great way to get it. And the next one is one of my favorite materials. I have a couple favorite materials that I love from Cricut. One of them is this holographic vinyl. This is in the color opal. I have a roll in my drawer right now that I use very sparingly because I love it so much. And so you know how when you hold on to something because you're wanting it for the perfect project? This is one of those materials that I always hold on to because I'm like, oh, I want to use it on the perfect thing. But now that I have an extra roll, I can go ahead and use this one. But I already removed the wrapper because I just wanted to show you guys. Look at how beautiful that is. It has a kind of a unicorn skin effect where it's purple to blue to pink. So really, really lovely. Definitely is true to its name of opal. And holographic vinyl is awesome. You can put it on so many different things. I love this for home decor. I think it's so pretty. I do have a few projects with this, so if you want to see some, let me know and I can link you some pictures so you can see what it looks like. And then this one is the Cricut Premium Vinyl. This is in the Permanent Glossy in Rose, in Blush actually, and it's a very pretty, vibrant, hot pink. The great thing about premium vinyl, if you're going for a permanent application, is you can put this on tumblers and mugs, put this on in the dishwasher on the top rack, and it will still last through that. I have several bowls and mugs that I've used permanent vinyl from Cricut, and it's still holding strong, nothing going wrong with it. This is also great if you want to do something outdoors, like a sticker for a car, or outdoor numbers, or for a sign that goes outdoors, so it's really great. And I love the vibrant color of this. This is so pretty. They made such a great color selection. I just want to show you guys the color selection again. Like, look at how well thought out this is. So if you want pink, they basically have every type of version of pink that you could want here. They have the more, you know, subdued, lighter colored one, the more magenta, the bubblegum, the, you know, more candy colored, the very, you know, lighter one here. You can hear my cat in the background. And also this really pretty glitter one. So lots of pretty pink colors in here. Oops, making a mess. Okay, so the next thing in here is the sparkle paper. And the sparkle paper is perfect if you love creating crafts where you do paper crafting. I wasn't really into paper crafting until I got the Cricut Maker. It's surprising because I always thought that, you know, paper crafting would be too difficult, so it wasn't something I got into because I was a little intimidated by it. But once I got the Maker, I started making cards, and I found that it was actually really easy to do. And one of my favorite things to do is to layer materials. So this is their Bejeweled Sampler, and as you can see, look at this material. Like, isn't that beautiful? It has this really pretty sparkle. Pirate, what are you doing? You can hear the kitty in the background here. She's looking out the window. So there's these really beautiful, vibrant colors, and just look at how pretty these are. So there's this really pretty magenta, a green, a blue. I can just see these for ornaments or for cards for the holidays. Wouldn't that be beautiful? This really lovely red and a purple. And then it cycles back into the same colors again. So you get 2 sheets of each, and they're actually quite sturdy, you know, very thick materials, so that you don't have to worry about this being, you know, lightweight and tearing very easily. This is something that you could add to a card or make home decor out of, and it would be pretty sturdy. So I'm excited about that one, so I can play with that and do some crafts. The next item is their metallic leather in the color rose gold. And I've used Cricut's faux leather before. I'm a huge fan of their faux leather, to be honest. It's one of my other favorite materials. I've made a necklace with it before. I've used it for home decor signs. It surprisingly is really versatile. And the faux leather is thin enough that you can easily cut it, and it's still sturdy. So if you have any objections to using real leather, they also have faux leather, and it works, you know, really, really well. But they included the leather in this one in the color rose gold, so it still matches in that same theme. So here's the rose gold iron-on. They also gave you the matching rose gold leather. And the nice thing about the leather is, like, you can use it like they did, like to bind a book. You can use this also for making clutches, for making keychains for the holidays, for making earrings. I think this would be beautiful as earrings, wouldn't it? And it's very soft. The material is quite nice. And there's the back of it. It's pretty reasonably thick. This is a material that you would buy if you have a Cricut maker and you want to, you know, expand and work with different materials. Because this is a thicker weight, heavier material, you would use this one on the maker. The maker works better for materials like wood, leather, chipboard, acrylic, those sorts of materials. And the Explorer 2 is great for these type of materials more, like if you're using paper, cardstock, vinyl, any of those would be perfect for that. So this is something that you would definitely, you know, want to use for your maker, but the bulk of the materials in here, I'd say like almost all of them are appropriate for both machines. The next item is cardstock, 20 sheets of cardstock in the color rose. So if you're not into paper crafting, something that you could try doing is making flowers. I don't know if you guys have seen some of the flowers that people have made. You can make a lot of 3D projects and 3D art using the cardstock, and it's one of my favorite ways to use it. I've taken some orange cardstock and made like a little pumpkin pie, which I thought was so fun. But there's a lot of different applications for this, and they give you a nice heavyweight cardstock in that. This one's in the color light pink as well, so you can get light pink and a rose in this, which is nice because you can kind of mix it up. And I can see a card where you've layered these pieces together, and that would look really pretty together. So you could take some of your glitter paper and your cardstock together. Like right there is a whole paper crafting kit. You can basically have fun and create some really beautiful cards with that. Add some Dollar Tree stickers in. It would be really nice. So that is everything that's in this box for the $49.99. If you use the code, just remember to use the code and the link below, and it will give you an extra 10% off. And I think it's a really great deal because of the free shipping as well, because you guys know shipping gets expensive on top of it, so getting a discount plus shipping always helps. And I think that's it. Yeah, I ordered for my extra item to hit that threshold, I ordered the holographic sparkle vinyl in green, if you did like that. They have some other colors that are just as beautiful, but the green really caught my attention. They do have a red, I think a blue, and some other colors. So let me know, have you guys used any of these materials? And if you have, which is your favorite? And if you haven't used any of them, which one catches your fancy? Which one are you excited about? So I'm going to go ahead and box this up, and I'm working on some tutorials right now for you guys where I'm going to show you step by step. If you're you know, not sure how to use Design Space, or you're a little unsure how the machine works, how's everything set up, I'm going to walk you through all of that. If you have any questions, leave them below, because I always want to make videos that address, you know, what you're looking for. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.